Finding your purpose. We all stand at a crossroads, whether we realize it or not, a point where the well-trodden path of routine meets the untamed wilderness of possibility. And in that wilderness, amidst the echoes of expectation and the whispers of doubt, lies the most profound treasure we can ever unearth, our purpose. Finding your purpose, discovering what truly drives you, and living a life of meaning. These aren't just words, they are an invitation to look inward, to listen intently, and to bravely step onto the path that is uniquely, authentically yours. For too long, many of us have been navigating life as if on autopilot, guided by external maps, societal pressures, parental expectations, the latest trends. We chase success as defined by others, only to find that even at the summit, there's a lingering sense of emptiness. We accumulate possessions, collect accolades, but still feel a yearning for something more substantial, something that resonates with the core of who we are. This isn't about chasing fleeting happiness. It's about cultivating deep, enduring fulfillment. It's about recognizing that every single one of us is endowed with a unique set of talents, passions, and experiences. These aren't random. They are clues, breadcrumbs leading us to our calling. So, how do we begin this journey of discovery? First, introspection. Ask yourself the uncomfortable questions. What truly ignites your soul? What problems in the world stir your empathy? What activities make you lose track of time, fully immersed and alive? Often, our purpose isn't some grand mystical revelation, but rather a gentle nudge from within, a persistent pull towards what we genuinely care about. Second, experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new things, to step outside your comfort zone. Volunteer, learn a new skill, engage with different communities. Sometimes we stumble upon our purpose in the most unexpected places, through experiences that initially seemed unrelated. Third, reflection. Once you identify those moments of true resonance, those activities that make you feel truly alive and engaged, pause and reflect. What common threads run through them? What values are being honored? What impact are you having, however small, that brings you a sense of satisfaction? And finally, courage. Because once you begin to uncover your purpose, living it requires courage. It requires the courage to say no to distractions that pull you away from your true north. It requires the courage to embrace uncertainty, to face setbacks, and to persist when the path gets challenging. It requires the courage to be your authentic self, even when it means standing apart from the crowd. Living a life of meaning isn't about achieving perfection. It's about aligning your actions with your deepest values. It's about contributing your unique gifts to the world, however you define world. It's about leaving a positive mark, not just on your own life, but on the lives of others. When you discover what truly drives you, work transforms from a chore into a calling. Relationships deepen because they are built on a foundation of shared purpose. Every challenge becomes an opportunity for growth, and every day becomes an opportunity to live with intention and passion. So I urge each of you today, stop merely existing and start truly living. Embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery. Seek out what truly drives you, and when you find it, embrace it with every fiber of your being. For in finding your purpose, you will not only discover a life of meaning, but you will unlock the extraordinary potential that lies within each and every one of you. Thank you.